can see, this rare 3.8 Series 1 Roadster presents in outstanding condition and is one of the most desirable E-Type specifications ever built. These cars are cemented as one of the most iconic classics of all time. Producing 265 brake horsepower from its 3.8 litre inline six-cylinder, these vehicles were also highly regarded for their top-tier performance. The smooth shifting 4-speed manual gearbox gives a flawless driving experience. Considered by many as one of the most beautiful vehicles ever built, the E-Type Jaguar was undoubtedly a milestone for the company. Its initial success in the early 1960s has transcended time, making it one of the most desirable classic cars ever built.